Let's look at the common difference, which, if you remember, is the number we're adding or subtracting by with arithmetic sequences. We're going to be looking at the following problems and determine whether they have a common difference or not. All right, so let's look at the first one. We have 2, 4, 8, 16. I'm actually going to change the, I was about to say density, the stroke thickness, because, yeah, this is a little bit smaller for the text. But for the first term, from 2 to 4, what are we doing? We're adding 2, right? So we can say plus 2. From 4 to 8, well, that's weird. That's plus 4, isn't it? 4 being our starting position and then going 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a difference of 4. So this can't have a common difference, because a common difference, you're adding consistently by, or adding or subtracting consistently by the same number. And 2 is not equal to 4. So we can say that no, we do not have a common difference here. I'm going to put a little frowny face. All right, let's look at number 2. We have 20, 30, 40, 50. So from 20 to 30, that's plus 10, right? From 30 to 40, that's also plus 10. And from 40 to 50, that's also plus 10. Again, we're consistently adding by 10 as we move from one term to the next. So that means that this does have a common difference. And that common difference is 10. D being the variable we use for common difference. Let's look at number 3. We have -3, -5, -7, -9. We haven't dealt with negative numbers before, but it's still the same idea, right? Because while most of our examples have been with addition, you have to look at it as, in general, arithmetic sequences, it's adding or subtracting by the same number, right? So what are we subtracting by here? From -3 to -5, that's a difference of 2, right? So we're subtracting by 2. From -5 to -7, it's also the same thing, subtracting by -2. And same thing for -9. Now, if you notice, this may or may not look like an example we saw on the first slide, but I will not be saying anything. All right, but our common difference here is -2, because we're consistently subtracting by the same number, which is -2. So we can say yes. I'm gonna put a little smiley face there again. And the common difference is equal to -2. Oh, and just so you know, you don't have to put you don't have to put this like little line under. I'm doing that to I guess highlight the variable. But that's it for this video.